Your expert. Cool stuff unboxing.
Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is your expert, and today I'm gonna show you another outdoor tech product, and this one it's called the Latch. It has MagSafe technology by Apple, so you can actually just latch it into your phone, and it's a wireless 5,000 milliamps power bank. It works. I'm gonna show you guys this over here. It works with any iPhone 12 and up, and also with your AirPods, and it's wireless. So you can just go ahead and have this around, and you can actually charge your phone on the go or your AirPods. So over here, I want to go ahead and mention that this box is now eco-friendly. So very important. They're turning green in outdoor tech. And I'm going to show you the back of this unit. So you can see that with the MagSafe wireless charging uses Apple latest magnetic technology. So you can just go ahead and charge your phone. It's a 5,000 milliamp power bank. It's lightweight, portable, and it's on the go. And it also has a USB-C input and output in order for you to charge your devices, just in case if you want to borrow it to somebody who, phone's almost dying or something like that. You can save them with this. And you can also do pass-through charging. That means that you can plug this thing in and use it as a charger for any of your AirPods or iPhones. All right, so without further ado, I'm just gonna go ahead and open this up for you guys. And it has a little sticker, so I'm just gonna cut it over here off camera for you guys to be able. All right, I cut the little sticker, and I open this one up, and let's see what is inside the box. All right, so on the inside I have, user manual, sorry about that. All right, user manual, just in case, read that out. So just if you have any questions. Swag, so you can actually stick it to your laptop, to your helmet, to your snowboard, anything you want. And over here we have the unit, very lightweight, doesn't weigh that much. As you guys can see, it's a very small unit. And I think I should be able to have a cable somewhere around here. Yeah, it's hidden right here in the box. Really cool design, so they can actually make everything smaller. And we have a USB-C cable in order to charge our unit. So all you have to do is charge this up with a USB-C, which it comes included. You simply put it on your table, and I'm gonna use I don't know, iPhone 13, I guess. I don't know. Don't quote me on it because I'm not sure. And all you have to do is just put it right next to it. It will latch into it. That's because that's how they got the name. And you press the little button over here. And as you guys can see, am I charging? Yes, I'm charging already. All right, so all you guys have to do is put it right on top of it. The magnetic hold will just go ahead and keep it that way, so you guys can really still use it and move around without any issues. It stays right there. You just press the button and it starts charging automatically. In order to charge the unit, you can just go ahead and plug it in with the USB-C type, and it gives you a little flashing red light over here. That means that it's giving you power. So that's basically what I have over here, guys. A super, life-saving, very small device that you can just keep in your backpack, keep in your purse, keep in the glove compartment of your car. So just in case if you forget to charge your phone, which happens more than often enough to me at least, right? You guys can actually just pick one of these ones and just stick it on your phone, keep using it, keep playing around, keep seeing TikToks and all of that. And that's basically how it works. Over here in the back, I also have, well, before we do that, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys something else. I'm gonna put a case on the phone, right? So this one, it's a, minimalistic design, nothing that much on the phone, which it will still allow you to go ahead and plug this in. And all you have to do is press the button and it starts charging. That's pretty much, you guys can actually see that with the case on, you can still use your device and it will start charging. We just put it on top of the unit and you're good to go. Now, I was mentioning, you guys, the ski season is almost here. So I have a couple of things that I picked out for you guys. Going right to left, so I have the cup, the Outdoor Tech cup over here. It comes in with another attachment where you can, keep your cool drink if you're having a outside party or something like that. It will keep the cool drink or hot, depending on what you're drinking, right? Over here, I have another set of pearls, true wireless earbuds, which I am recording this video with. So you guys can actually see the audio that comes out, just in case if you need them for meetings or, anything like that, or just to listen to music. They are great. They have a little case. You just put them there, and they start charging. Over here on the left side, I have the new Chips Ultra 2.0 helmet audio with a wireless charging case, just in case if you're gonna hit the slopes this year. I will post a video about that later on. And I have the Chips 3.0, which I already have a video on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it somewhere over here in the screen so you guys can actually see it. You can just click over there. But the new thing that we have are new colors. So besides just red Chips 3.0, we have now green, and they also have them in blue and the original red. So if you guys want to pick up another set, and if you guys want to change the color, they do have different colors available, and they do have the new Chips Ultra 2.0, which I will post a video hopefully sometime in the next week or two, so you guys can actually see the differences. I will make another video on comparing this Chips Ultra 2.0 against the Chips 3.0, the 2.0, and the Chips Ultra 1.0. So I will give you guys the whole spectrum of everything that Outdoor Tech has to offer, and hopefully you guys can actually get one of these, because once that you go skiing with your music, there's no turning back. So I will give you guys later on that, and I will update you with any other new products that they come up with. And again, guys, if you wish to talk to me, just go ahead and hit me up in the comments. If you like this video, subscribe, hit the like button, hit the bell button. I don't know what else you guys have to do. Again, this is just my hobby, and I'm just happy to bring you guys new products every now and then. I do hope you guys have a great week, and I will see you when I see you. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye-bye.